In our latest video, we're diving back into our straightforward website tutorial. Previously, we completed the construction of an essential website solely with HTML. Now, it's time to enhance its appearance with CSS. Let's dive straight into the styling process right after this brief introduction. Now, the first thing we need to do is to style our CSS. Before we style our CSS, let's link our CSS file and let's write this on style.css. There we go. Now our CSS file are styled. We just need to style everything. As you can see now, it's all simple. If we zoom in this, and everything are all pure HTML. Now, let's just write all the comments that we need for our colors. There we go. Now, let's write this comment. Navigation bar style. And let's write asterisk and curly braces. Box sizing. And let's write border box. Margin 0. And then let's write this padding 0. Finally, let's put some random font like that. And now the next thing we need to add is our body. And then let's write background color will be this hashtag 649580. Let's copy that there. And then let's put our color. FF means white. Next is header and a curly braces, and let's write text decoration is none. There we go. Next is another header, curly braces will be padding 0, 20 pixel. Background color, let's make this 649580. There we go. And the height will be 80 pixel. There we go. Alright. Let's write logo. This is not a class. Hashtag logo. Hashtag means ID. We're creating an ID instead of a class. We'll talk about the hashtag and the class in CSS in the future videos. But for now, let's focus on building our simplest website. Font weight will be 900 and font size will be 25 pixel and display flex. And then align items, we want it to be center. Color will be hashtag, let's write UL and curly braces. List style will be none. And then we need height to be 100%. And the next we need is another display flex. And where in the UL it's align items center. There we go. Yep, I think they are the same. The only difference is we added a justify content. Justify content space between. Next, let's add ULA link. Padding will be 5 pixel. Oh, I almost forgot the margin left. Margin left will be 10 pixel. There we go. Next, we need ULLI, and let's make it cover. And let's add transform scale 1.5 and 1.5 and semicolon. Transition will be 0.3 s. S means seconds, I think. Let's add in our nav. Height will be 80 pixel. Then background color will be 6495 ED. I forgot the hashtag. Next, we need display flex. That's done. Justify content, we need space between, and we need align items to be center, and we need padding. Padding will be 0 rank, and let's make a card. Here we go. And the next part we need is nav A. Nav A will be text decoration, none. Color will be, is it black? Yep, it's black. We're almost done. Padding 0, 1, 5 rank, and semicolon. Now after that, we're going to add comment called content styling, and then let's add that logo, curly braces, and let's add this color. Then font size, font weight is bold, font style is italic, we need padding is 0 to 1. Oops, I mistyped that. Let's add that hero background by F9 EA0, and there we go, we are done. So that's it for today's video, for our tutorial video. So we've already made a simple website. In our next video, we're going to styling a content styling for our simple website. It's all about styling the content inside our homepage website. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Logic Mastery channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Check out my other programming tech related videos too.